Rocks and minerals. Today we're going to be doing an artist study related to rocks and minerals. So we'll be looking at an artist who paints pictures of crystals and reflecting on some questions about her artwork. Why are we doing this? Well, we're linking our learning with science and art and learning that artists often include science and technology in their artwork. There's a lot of connections between art and science. So before we get started, let's talk about crystals. What are they? So crystals are special stones in which the molecules line up in a specific pattern, a crystallized pattern. Crystals usually form underground. Crystals come in many colors, and some, such as diamonds, emeralds, and rubies, are often used in jewelry, which is another form of art. The word crystal comes from a Greek term meaning ice. Okay, so the artist we're going to look at is named Waito. So this is a picture of Carly. There is Carly's face, and then this is Carly looking through a microscope at a crystal specimen. So Waito is a Canadian artist who combines science and art. She does hyper-realistic paintings, which means they look so real that they almost look like a photograph. Sometimes she uses microscopes to get a closer look at the stones she draws from. She pays close attention to the surfaces of the stone and how they reflect the light. She tries to copy that as accurately as she can in her artwork. So here are two of her art pieces. So this one is called Amethyst, and this one is called Rhodochrosite. And both of them are oil paints on panel. So panel is like a piece of wood. So it looks so realistic. But then you can see there's certain parts, like down here on this red one, where we can tell it's a little bit more blurry. It looks a bit more like a painting. But when we look at it first, I'm definitely tricked because I think it looks exactly like a photograph. Here's another one. So Quartz Mountain. So she's zoomed right up on the surface of the rock and she's painted as much detail as possible. And another one of a close-up. So this is called Amethyst Mountain. And then two more. And I'm really liking the bright green color and this like rainbow, all the different rainbow colors that are in this one. Okay, so now you can go back and you can look at those paintings again. And this slide is posted in Google Classroom for you to answer these questions. So I want you to tell me, what did you notice about Carly's paintings? So you could talk about the colors you noticed. You could talk about the backgrounds. You could talk about the details you noticed. Really anything. Then I want you to tell me which one of those paintings was your favorite and why. Okay? Why do you think Carly made these paintings? So it's interesting because we have cameras now and we can take photos of things and we can document what they really look like. So why do you think Carly took all the time to paint all of those details and make them look so realistic when she could have just taken a photo? Why do you think she made these? What is the point? And then what would you like to ask Carly about her gemstone paintings? What are you wondering about? Maybe you want to ask her why she made them. So go ahead and complete those sentence starters. And that's the end. Thanks for watching.